Last pre-morning cleaning.
Aww.
How long do you think it's gonna take to empty these out?
A long time.
How gross do you think it's gonna be?
The grossest.
Oh, I'm sorry that you're carrying all the stuff.
Typical.
We started meeting as a group of chief curators nearly 10 years ago. We wanted to discuss how we wanted to proceed in the presentation of the collection galleries. I think we all felt that the current approach of having galleries that were designated by medium didn't correspond to the way that artists are working. So here we have a painting by Picasso, an enormously important painting by Picasso. It's often described as the picture that set Picasso and Braque off on the invention of a Cubist language, because you see how the shapes are starting to break down into a more abstract language, especially, for example, in the chest of that woman on the far right. Picasso made prints, he made drawings, he made sculptures. To see an artist in all the complexity of the different mediums he or she used gives you so much more opportunity than having the paintings the person made over here and the drawings that person made 3 floors away. There was no doubt in our minds that the first change we wanted to make was to integrate all of the fields that the museum covers in the circuit of galleries. It's an utter transformation in the makeup of the place.
The last day. It's a lot of energy today.
This thing is sold out, I think. It's 4 o'clock. Last film of the season. I was thinking about it today. It was getting a little misty. I enjoy showing, but it's just like the last public screening for a while.
Yeah, please not that stretchable. Really, like, when you try and stretch it, it's really tight.
What were you thinking about when you were making your arrangement?
A famous artist.
You were what?
A famous
You were
artist.
thinking of a famous artist? Which famous artist did you have in mind?
Faith Ringgold.
Which one?
Faith Ringgold.
You were thinking of Faith Ringgold. Wow. What about Faith Ringgold were you thinking about that inspired you?
She always makes
Quilts. This really does remind me of a quilt. That's so interesting, the way you put those squares down.
I like that, Lydia.
Wow.
Oh, maybe this is it. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it.
You found
This is
it. Good for you. Okay.
Honore Sharrer.
And what is it called? Workers
and Paintings. Do you see the paintings?
Oh, yes.
Look what they have.
Oh, and look at the
Yeah,
American Gothic over
Yeah.
here.
And this is what MoMA owns. It's my favorite picture in the museum.
Oh, the Picasso.
Girl in the Mirror.
The Picasso.
Oh, it's 1932. That's when I was born. That's why I like it so much. Oh, so look at all the different people in here. It's a great little painting.
Hello. It's almost over. It's almost over. Exciting times. Hey guys, just a heads up. We're gonna be closing in 10 minutes. Thank you all for coming. Have a great night and see you in October.
10 minutes for 4 months.
Yes, 10 minutes for 4 months.
Oh my God.
It's happening. No, I'm trying to make it a soft close. I don't want to be heavy-handed. Thank you for coming, guys. I'll be here. I'll stay here. You could let him go, though. All right. You could take some more time if you need. Just gonna have to escort you down.
May I have your attention, please? The museum is now closed. Please return your audio program units to the desk on the second floor and collect your belongings from the check room.
Agradecemos su atención, por favor. El museo ha cerrado. Por favor, devuelva las audio guías al mostrador de audio MoMA y diríjase al guardarropa para atrás.
The sound has shape.